Studying in the United States is a dream for many international students because the country is home to some of the world's most respected universities and colleges, from groundbreaking research to dynamic campus life from diverse student populations to global networking opportunities. The academic experience in the United States is second to none. However, one of the biggest barriers for many students, especially those from developing countries, is the high cost of tuition and living expenses. International students often face additional fees and fewer financial aid opportunities compared to domestic students, which can make studying in the United States feel impossible. But here is the good news: there are several institutions across the United States that offer a world-class education at a fraction of the cost of traditional private universities. These schools are committed to making higher education accessible by offering affordable tuition, smaller class sizes, and strong academic programs. Whether you are interested in business, science, liberal arts, healthcare, or technology, these budget-friendly institutions may be exactly what you need to make your American education dream a reality without overwhelming financial pressure. In this video, we will introduce you to 10 of the most affordable colleges and universities in the United States that are open to international students. We will also share practical tips to help you choose the right school and reduce your costs even further. Number 1. City University of New York, also known as Kansas City University of New York, is one of the largest public university systems in the United States with over 20 campuses spread across New York City. CUNY is known for offering low tuition rates, especially compared to private institutions in the same city. Many of its colleges, including Baruch College, Hunter College, and Brooklyn College, have strong reputations in fields such as business, computer science, social sciences, and public health. Thousands of international students study at CUNY campuses and benefit from New York City's diverse culture, public transportation access, and countless internship and job opportunities. Even though New York is an expensive city, CUNY's affordable tuition makes it possible for many students to live and study there on a budget. Number 2. University of the People. University of the People is a unique online university that is tuition-free and accredited in the United States. This institution was created to remove barriers to education and has welcomed students from over 200 countries. It offers associate and bachelor degree programs in areas like computer science, business administration, and health science. Although there is no tuition, you will be required to pay modest fees for each course and a final assessment fee. There are no costs for textbooks because the school uses open educational resources. It is a flexible option for students who want to study remotely or who cannot afford to relocate to the United States. It is also ideal for working students or those with family responsibility. As from 3. South Texas College. South Texas College is a public community college located in the Rio Grande Valley region of Texas. It is known for being one of the most affordable institutions in the country. South Texas College offers more than 100 degree and certificate programs in areas like business, nursing, technology, and criminal justice. International students can begin their academic journey with a 2-year associate degree and then transfer to a 4-year university to complete a bachelor degree. This is a popular and cost-effective pathway that reduces the total cost of a university education. The college also offers on-campus support for international students and English language learners. Number 4. California State University. Campus. California State University system includes 23 campuses across the state. It is one of the largest and most affordable public university systems in the country. Campuses such as Fresno State, San Bernardino, and Long Beach are popular choices for international students because of their relatively low tuition and strong academic programs. Students can study everything from engineering to communication to social work. California is home to a large international community, and many students benefit from cultural support centers. On campus, there are also scholarship opportunities and a wide range of internships available across the state. Number 5. Minot State University in North Dakota. Minot State University is a small public university located in the northern state of North Dakota. Consistently ranks as one of the most affordable universities for international students in the United States. Minot State is known for its personalized approach to education and strong programs in areas like business, information Systems and healthcare. Because North Dakota has a low cost of living, students save on housing, food, and transportation. The university provides on-campus housing options, financial guidance, and academic advisors who support students throughout their degree. Number 6. Alcorn State University in Mississippi. Alcorn State University is a historically black university with a long tradition of serving underrepresented communities. It offers low tuition rates for international students and has a warm, inclusive campus culture. The university offers undergraduate and graduate programs in fields like nursing, agriculture, and education. Alcorn State provides cultural programming, mentorship, and student organizations that help international students feel at home. The cost of living in Mississippi is also very affordable, and housing options are available both on and off campus. Number 7. Bemidji State University in Minnesota. Bemidji State University is located in a scenic area of northern Minnesota near a beautiful lake and forest. It is known for its commitment to sustainability and affordable tuition for international students. Programs include business, accounting, environmental science, and liberal arts. Many students receive scholarships and financial support from the school. The university promotes a strong sense of community and offers a peaceful study environment perfect for focused academic work. Number 8. Western Illinois University. Western Illinois University has a special fixed tuition guarantee for international students, meaning the tuition cost will not go up during your time at the university. This makes it easier to plan and manage your expenses over several years. Western Illinois offers generous scholarships for international students and a wide selection of majors including education, engineering, and health sciences. The university has a friendly and supportive campus environment with programs designed to help students adjust and succeed. Number 9. Arkansas State University. Located in the city of Jonesboro, Arkansas State University is another excellent option for budget-conscious international students. It offers undergraduate and graduate programs in computer science, engineering, agriculture, and business. Tuition is low compared to national averages, and scholarships are available to international students who qualify. The campus has a strong support system, including tutoring, career services, and international student advising. Number 10. Southeast Missouri State University. Southeast Missouri State University offers more than 100 academic programs and is known for preparing students for the workforce. International students pay affordable tuition and also benefit from work-study opportunities on campus. The university provides cultural events, career planning services, and language support for non-native English speakers. It is a practical choice for students who want a full American college experience without the high cost. Tips for choosing a low-cost college in the United States. When searching for an affordable college, always look at the total cost of attendance, not just the tuition. This includes housing, food, books, transportation, health insurance, and other student fees. Ask about scholarships or grants for international students. Look for schools that offer payment plans or work opportunities to help offset costs. Consider the location because states and cities vary widely in cost of living. Also check whether the school is regionally accredited and whether your degree will be recognized by employers or institutions in your home country. Some schools may look more expensive at first glance, but offer more financial aid, while others may have low tuition but few support services. So always do your research. Remember, affordable does not mean low quality. Many of these universities have small class sizes, excellent professors, modern facilities, and strong graduate outcomes. You do not have to break the bank to study in the United States. There are many excellent low-cost colleges and universities that are open to international students and committed to making education accessible. By choosing the right school, applying early, and taking advantage of scholarships, you can reduce your costs significantly and still receive a world-class education. Have questions about the video or need clarity? Book a one-on-one session. Full info in the description box.